You search for how to buy shares of SDI Group Plc. SDI Group Plc is a UK industrial and engineering company listed on the LSE plc under the ticker SDI.L. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SDI.L to find the listing. Select the result that shows SDI Group Plc to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for SDI.L. Confirm the company name and ticker match SDI Group Plc before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed. Check the description for a link if you want to follow the same example on eToro.